Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Robin, and if you are returning, thank you for watching this video. So I'm filming a what I eat in a day today. So for breakfast this morning I have some cut up mango, plum, coconut yogurt, and cinnamon. This is the coconut yogurt that I love. It's so good. And I am just about to make a coffee with my Nespresso machine, and then I will show you the creamer that I put into it. And I'm also having this water bottle, so this is 500 mils, and I will drink this whole bottle with my breakfast. Okay, so this is the coffee creamer that I use, the Silk Almond Hazelnuts, and I love this creamer. It's so good. It's not too sweet, adds a little bit of flavor. So I'm just gonna put a little bit, just about like that amount, and then I am going to froth that because this evenly mixes around my coffee. And then I'm also going to put a little bit of cinnamon on here this morning. And there we go. Okay, so now it's time for my second breakfast. I just finished a workout, so now I'm going to make some oatmeal. So I have half of a cup of just plain rolled oats, some blueberries, some cinnamon, and then I just have some honey, some hemp seeds, and some almond milk for extra creaminess, and then some cinnamon. So I'm going to make this right now. So this is the finished breakfast. I mean, it doesn't really look too amazing. It's kind of hard to make oats look good, but this looks so, I mean, this is gonna taste so good. So again, it's just oats, almond milk, cinnamon, peanut butter, honey, blueberries, and hemp seeds. So very easy, but nutritious and delicious. Okay, so now for lunch, I'm gonna be making an omelet. So I'm gonna make an omelet with some orange pepper and some spinach, and then just 2 eggs. And I've already put olive oil in my pan, and that's gonna be my lunch. So my 2 favorite seasonings to add to my eggs are the Everything But the Bagel seasoning and some crushed red pepper. Now that just looks and smells so much better. So this is my lunch, and I will see you when I eat something else. I've made homemade date squares. So these are vegan, gluten-free homemade date squares. They are so delicious. So I just had 1.5 of these. This one's falling. Stay. 1.5 of these date squares just right after I ate my omelet, honestly. And I think now I'm gonna make another cup of coffee because I didn't get to drink the last one because it got cold so fast. So let's do that. So I'm gonna do hazelino muffin with that same hazelnut creamer that I used earlier. In this mug. It's like coffee is a lifeline kind of thing. Okay, so now it is dinner time. So I'm going to be making pasta. This is the pasta that I'm going to be making, gluten-free brown rice pasta. And I just cut up 1 clove of garlic, and I'm going to be sauteing some broccoli, some kale, and some bell peppers. Tomato sauce that I'm going to be using. It is by Organico Bello, the kale tomato basil sauce, and I love that the ingredients are just so pure and you know exactly what is in it. Okay, so this is the finished product. It looks so good. So I'm going to put a little bit of crushed red pepper on here. I love crushed red pepper, so I literally put it on almost everything. It is a little bit spicy if you add a lot, but yeah, so that is my dinner. I'm so excited to eat this.